there. How have you been? Oh, really? Well, welcome back to Weekly Whimsy. If you didn't know already, my name is Lindsey, and I'm thrilled to be back to bring you the latest and greatest in crypto and IPFS. So with that, let's jump right into things. Over on Discord, our community has grown to over 3,799 members. If you haven't joined yet, you are missing out on a fantastic opportunity to engage with like-minded individuals and speak with our team one-on-one. Also, over on social media, as we recently celebrated the holidays, we featured Penny celebrating right along with us. Whether you are unwrapping presents or debugging code, we hope your season was full of joy and whimsy. If you're not following us yet over on social media, you are missing out on fun updates and informative content. This week, we are thrilled to spotlight Kokomo Games. Kokomo Games is an innovator in the Web3 gaming space. They are transforming how mini games are played by integrating them into the blockchain, creating a rewarding and community-driven gaming experience. With a history of successful game development, including the beloved Lineage 2, their team is now pioneering the fusion of casual gaming with real-world value through the GameFi mechanics. This approach not only enhances player engagement, but also rewards community activity, making gaming more interactive and profitable. An exciting announcement on the product front, we are now introducing Pinata's new pricing. We continually strive to enhance our technology stack, allowing us to deliver a high-quality, scalable product more efficiently. As a result, we've improved the storage limits and overage pricing for our Picnic and Fiesta plans, and we've removed the pinned file limit. These changes are effective immediately, and if you're already on one of these plans, you'll see the new pricing on your next bill. Please let us know what you think in the comments below. Have you ever wondered how to build an NFT indexer with Ponder and Pinata? With the rise of NFTs, efficiently managing and querying blockchain data has become crucial. Our latest blog post guides you through setting up an NFT indexer, a vital tool for developers looking to enhance their blockchain applications. This setup not only simplifies tracking NFT ownership and metadata, but also integrates seamlessly with IPFS for robust data storage solutions. And that wraps up our first Weekly Whimsy episode of the year. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons below for more exciting content from our team to come. But until next week, stay curious and happy pinning. Bye, y'all.